Welcome to Dance Fitsugar. I'm Amanda LaCount and I am so excited to have a 10-minute follow-along dance cardio routine for you guys. I have some assistants with me, Adele and Madisyn, and we are here to make you feel confident and the best version of yourself. So let's just get right on into it.
Yeah,
I can't wait anymore. All right, this first one we're gonna do, I'm gonna go through it once slow and then we'll have time to run it once all together. You can still follow me, but first let's go through it a little bit slower. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go forward 4 times. We go 1, 2, 3, hey, 4, and then we're gonna push back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna repeat that one more time. 1, 2, 3, hey, push it back. 2, 3, 4. Moving on from there, we're gonna jump together, jump. If you need a modification, also Madisyn is doing that, so you don't need to do the jump if you can't. Jump, and I'm gonna go kick right and left, and jump, kick, kick, and jump, kick, kick, and jump. Last time, ha, ha, ha. From here, cardio, the heart rate's gonna get up. We're gonna go step, throw, step, throw, 1, 2, step, ha, step, throw, throw, 1, step, throw, 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 ha, ha, ha. One more time, throw, throw, 1, throw, ha. From here, we're gonna go, throw, 1, and 2, and 3, we get a little full out, 4, and other side, 2, 3, 4, and 2 more times. Back, front, back, throw, front, back, throw. From here, repeat. Slide, 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 and back, 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 slide, 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 back, back, back. We're almost done. We jump up, kick, kick, and jump, kick, kick, 2 more times, kick, kick, and jump, kick, and you finish however you want. Just something like slow. There's a little bit of an outro that fades, so something slow that makes you feel nice and kind of ends it on a high note for you. All right, song 1 out of 3 done. Time for the second one. Again, I'm gonna kind of break down some of the moves that are gonna be in the routine, but there's also gonna be a lot of repetition, so I'll just call that out when we do the routine. We're gonna start rocking right, left, right, right, and a left, right, left, left. A lot of personality here. Make it your own. Ha, ha, and a left, right, left, left. From here, we're gonna go hold, throw, hold, throw. We do this 8 times. Hey, ha, throw, 4 more times, and down, ha, down, ah, down, and ha, down. Now we're gonna kind of try to stay to this like corner because we have to cheat it to go step, twist, up, up, and step, twist, up, up, and step, twist, up, up, and step, twist, up, up. Now we're gonna add on a little extra thing to that. Ha, ha, clap, clap, and step, twist, clap, clap. And I was like, let's make it harder. And clap, clap, and step, twist, clap, clap. Last thing, we're gonna go out, roll, roll, roll.
My favorite.
Out, roll, roll, turn, out, roll, 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 and out, roll, roll, turn. We do it 2 more times. Roll, 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 and out, roll, roll. Last time. Hey, ha. Let's go. And out, ha, ha. Then we're just gonna do a hip roll for 4 counts, and then we're just gonna repeat. So those are all the steps in the routine, so let's get started. Just follow along.
Yeah, let's do it.
Hey, and a left. Right, left. Hey, attitude, let's go. Hey, pull, pull. Hey, let's go. You're doing amazing. And pull. up, up, step, pull, ha, add that clap. Woo, woo, muscles working. Hey, it's so hard to talk and do that. Hip roll. Hey, turn. Let's go. My legs are burning. Woo! Strong spot. Out. Now we do that hip roll. 1. This side.
You look better with no makeup.
Hey.
Girl, why you want a cake?
Let's go.
Silly boys kinda knows that. Think he knows me, but he only wanna kiss it.
Clap.
Yeah. These haters need a migraine. Stop looking at me
Woo!
sideways.
I'm sweating. This clap is spicy. Up. Yay. Only one more time. Twist again. Clap. Hey. Almost done. Hey. Hip roll. Woo. Woo. We're almost there. Hip roll. Let's go. 2 more times. Last time. Finish. Woo! All right, our last routine is here. Woo. This one we're just gonna follow along, so let's go. Push. 1, 2, 3, hey. Ha, ha, ha. Woo! There's a lot of flavor in this one, a lot of personality. Over. Hey. Arms are freestyle. Have fun with it. Hey. Throwing to the front. Throw. Hey. Ha, and a run, run, run. Woo! I am dripping already. And a 1, 2, 3. I don't think I ever stopped. Right. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Slowing it down. Woo! Hey. This is my favorite part. Same. I can actually breathe. Take it in while we have it. Hey. Woo! We're gonna repeat. Push. Hey. Ha, ha, ha. Over to the right. Over. Hey. Woo! Throw to the front. Let's go. Hey. We're almost there. You're doing great. Ah. Hey, you got it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Hair is whipping. 1, 2, 3. Same. Let's go. Chorus. Hey. For sure. Hey. This song is catchy. Let's go. Back. We have a little break. Hip. Woo. Hip. Hip. Hey. Reverse. Let's go. Woo. Almost there. Groovy. Let's go. We can do it, guys. I know we're sweating, but that's why we came here. Let's go. Woo. Down. They know. Woo. Play with those arms. Have fun with it. Show your personality. Let's go. Hey. Woo. Let's go, guys. We can do it. Ooh, almost there. Chorus. Last time. Let's go. Woo. Hey. So close. We're on top of our game. Let's go. So close. Ending it with a rock. And a right. We did that. Hey. And a right. Woo. And finish it off. Ooh. Woo. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm like
sweating.
I'm buckets of sweat right here. Good job, guys. Thank you to Madisyn and Adele. They did amazing. So did you, I am sure. Thank you again for taking this 10-minute follow-along cardio dance class. I hope you had a fun time. I know we did. And we will see you next time at Dance Fitsugar.